Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. And friends, as yesterday I explained a detailed video about Dow Jones down 2%, but we can expect like a gap down and will recover. Same happened today, and why I mentioned that also I will explain in today's video. So after continuous fall and now today, as we all know, like it's month end and salary time, and one major thing is like, so salaried people thought that it is false, so we can enter or we can buy, and that's one thing. And the next thing is like afternoon sessions like Dow Jones futures 200 points plus, and European markets also opened in positive. So it's like a positive sign for today's opening and Dow Jones. So Indian equity recovered in second half. So one thing for the rally of power stocks, and next thing is like coal India share price is one of the major reason. Coal crunch at power plants, government looks to boost storage. So in this, what they are mentioning means, so cold storage in thermal power plants with the rising demand of power, storage capacity for a 1 week only it is having, like due to increased demand the stock pills will be like completing. So as demand increases, what happens means they have to coal fire huge amount of coal. So by using stackers they reclaim their coal. So due to that, what happens means total coal utilized. So with the output of power, there is consumption of huge amount of coal. So what happened means they have to input that coal also. So there is a mismatch. So due to this, so coal prices also increasing in recent times. So as demand is high, at that point coal prices also will increase. So that is the major reason here going. So due to that, uh, coal India share price rises recently. So today also it increases nearly 6 to 7%. And next one is friends, power. So if you want to see major thing about Sir Rakesh Jhunjhunwala sir today announced, anyone seen about amendment bill of power bill. So this is one of the bill. So electricity amendment bill, in which what happens means private sectors. This bill bringing in provision to de-license power distribution, allowing private sector players to enter the sector and compete with state-owned power distribution discoms. So, what they are clearly mentioning means this bill giving right for monopoly. So only state governments has to rule the discoms. So no private players will have to have power to enter into it. So due to that, what happens means, so private players doesn't have much access to give their power generation to direct to customers. So they have to supply to discoms. So discoms will transfer that power to consumers like us. So here what happens means they didn't have much access for improvement. So discounts already moving in losses, and power like private players like Adani Power, Tata Power, these companies are also having little burdens, and so there are so much of things. So if these amendment bills will get some reforms, what happens means, so consumer have a power to take power from any network like Airtel, Reliance, Vodafone. So any customer provides, any operator provides good signal strength, and without any noise. So customer will take that operators. Likewise, if any company like Tata Power or some other power generation company, Reliance, so they will have like lines, so they will send direct power to your home. So send means that is not like, so we can get connection with that. So we can take like smart meter. So how much money you pay to that, so that much of power you can use. So like that, vice versa, maybe it's like prepaid or postpaid. So after use you can pay like now, or like SIM cards, so we can recharge. That's in future that will be in. So likewise, so here what happens means losses will decrease due to smart meters. So I already discussed like smart meters. We have some other stock, and the next thing is one of the major reason for this is so power crunch in other countries like China also somewhat advantage. So with that, what happens means the production in that country and the manufacturing companies in China will face this power crunch. So what happens means steel producer, one of not one of largest producer and consumer of steel is China. So if power outage is there means the production will also comes down. So that is benefit for India. Steel and Hindalco like Tata Steel, Hindalco, JSW Steel, these all are good companies, are very good ones. So like this, we can expect like these are the major reasons for Indian steel stocks rise today. And major updates today I am covering is like L&T. L&T in talks to merge power business with Semcorp India Private Limited. So friends, this is one of the company has like its parent in other Singapore, I think so. So few of my brothers also working in Semcorp India Private Limited, my friends. So friends, this company having like wind energy, solar power and thermal, but first they entered into India through thermal business. So L&T also in plan to move their thermal business to Semcorp India Limited. So this is the article. uh, we didn't get much confirmation from BSC side, so just article. So see here like L&T in talks to merge its thermal power business with the Indian unit of Singapore-based Semcorp Industries Limited. So as I said previously, so this is how they are looking, and this is like 4.5 billion, uh, including debit, and would exclude Semcorp revenue energy business on the people side. So you already know they it is like a win-win situation. So Semcorp want to list their business in Indian equity and they are planning from so many days. But what they are doing now means L&T thermal business and Semcorp thermal business both will join a merged entity, and they will take this into listing into Indian equities. So this is how they are planning. But I am thinking they will merge, but listing only this thermal business in Indian equity is a bad idea. So next one is like BHL. So friends, BHL today updated one latest update. So recently they are getting like good deals, and they have got like 1500 crores as like quantum jump. That means the projects which they got, like they got this first 6 months. So see here, Government of Indian initiative towards enhanced transparency and ease of doing business. BHEL has been spearheading procurement goods through government e-marketplace portal. So they will mention like their orders are their things crosses 1500 crores in the first 6 months of current fiscal. So in that they are uploading. So what are they got, how much they money they will have still, like that. So they are mentioning like they are having like 1500 crores in this current fiscal against 389 crores in the entire 2021. So still they will get some money. So BHL is not only producing goods and services through GM, but is also registered as seller. So it's like government related things. And next one is friends, so as already I explained about BEL International, we have a detailed video also in our channel. So friends, this is one of the company which is having like a good what you called asset light business. It doesn't have like capital to invest there, but it is like doing visa processings and parcelings, like it is also working with Flipkart India. So what they are mentioning means today they got like contract for Italy visa processing service in Russia. So this is a good update for the company. Recently given good rally, but still it is having some scope for next rally. But after results itself. So after results, you take any decision. So easy my trip. So friends, recently, like yesterday, I think I mentioned about this company. So given much rally, but Mahindra Holidays and Easy My Trip will get good benefit in coming days. So see here what they are mentioned means. So they launched industry's first option of discounted airfares to users with unconfirmed train tickets. So it's not a good thought, but it's okay. So if anyone cancels, these tickets will confirm. Like this, I think so. See here, EaseMyTrip launches industry's first option of discounted airfares to users with unconfirmed train tickets. Sorry. So if anyone having like train tickets with unconfirmed, so for them they will provide like discounted airfares. So if anyone having train ticket, but still the ticket is not confirmed, then Ease My Trip will give some discounts on airfare. So it's looking like a business improvement like airfare, like air industry, aviation industry will getting boost. Why? Because you already know biggest and largest transport in India is railways. So huge middle class people use transport also railways. So I'm thinking that it will be like a best thing that is my trip taking upper middle class peoples, so they can attract to this way. So this is a good thought by Is My Trip. And the next one is My Trip partnered with SpiceJet announcing exclusive partnership for holiday bookings. So maybe they will book here. So okay friends, and the next thing is like so Saint. So friends, this is also one of the company which we are like focusing in like what you called our team, like software companies for automotive industry. So this company announcing their Q2 results coming sessions. They are mentioning psych and to consider and approve an interim dividend also. So they are conducting this board meeting, I think coming days. So to consider and approve the unaudited final results. So October 14th. So board meeting they will to consider approve unaudited financial results. They will announce their results on October 14th, friends. And next one is like if you see here, today Saint announced one of the major development in their product developments to SLM International. This company manufactured one of the best product, that is SLM 280 systems in Florida. For this company SLM International, so this is the company. So for this company they are developing that product. And the next one is like if you observe here, persistent system, this is one of the best artificial and machine learning development product development IT company. So on artificial intelligence list, we are taking this one also. So if you go and see my like future stock playlist in our YouTube channel, in that one of the video like artificial intelligence stocks, I done a clear video. In that you see this list of stocks which are working on artificial intelligence and machine learning. In that you are going to see this video. And one thing friends, this company today announced a acquisition, like this news came after a market order, so we can expect tomorrow this stock will rise. And see here like this is the best company to hold for a long term. So they announced like persistent systems, incredible USA, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company, has entered into a stock purchase agreement with Software Corporation International. This is one company, and its affiliated Fusion 360 LLC on September 29th to acquire this company. So friends, they are acquiring like one company and their subsidiary company also. So looks it's very good, and they mentioned they are also entering into agreement with Shri Infosoft Private Limited to acquire its business along with their transaction. The company through its wholly owned subsidiary. So this is another acquisition. So totally they are doing two acquisitions, and they are expecting like these acquisitions will close within like 3 to 5 weeks. And next thing they are taking this acquisition into next level. And why they are acquiring these companies means they are clearly mentioned they are in payments. See here, so I previously explained coming days digital payment solutions and digital payments business will grow rapidly. So what happens means here, this fusion 360 and this SCI having deep domain consulting capabilities specialized in payment solutions, integrations and support services for an impressive portfolio of leading US banks. So additionally what happens means Fusion 360 provides application developments and maintenance and support for leading payment banks including IBM Financial. So it's a very good news, right? Like these companies providing services and maintenance for IBM. So indirectly buying this company means persistent system now providing solutions for IBM. So it's a very great update, and we are looking to positive this news for persistent systems tomorrow. And one thing I want to show you is like today Tata Power reached our first target. Like we are having like 200 as our main target for next summer. So for who are holding Tata Power after our channel looking, so I am very happy for them. Like they like see, like I already mentioned, like 155 is one of the target for this Tata Power 155 as one of the resistance. And today it reached like see here 158.75. So this is how we are looking. See, I didn't draw this line previously, I mentioned this 159.20. Today the stock reached up to that level, and after that little consolidation happened and a huge volume, and it is break its 52-week high today. So may we expect like we are reaching our target even before summer. So thank you friends, and thank you very much. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel friends. Thank you.